Tracking a few showers this evening. Here's a look at the radar behind me showing some rain. Now, as of right now, the rain is cooperating pretty light, but if we zoom in to south of I-40, seeing a few moderate showers, no lightning with these, and as we go throughout the overnight, that will kind of be the trend. There will be chances for rain and maybe a few downpours, but as of right now, the rain kind of staying on the lighter to moderate side. Here is a downtown Knoxville view. Temperature 78 degrees, cloudy skies, seeing that cloud cooled air. So not a lot of daytime heating was seen today. The highs actually a little bit below normal. And here's a look at a wide view showing that frontal boundary to our south and showing some energy moving in from the northwest. And that will give us those chances for rain as we go throughout the overnight. Here is that flood threat. Now notice how it is a 2 out of 4 for some, that darker green color medium. So there will be that potential for some flooding overnight, all depending on if we see these rain rates pick up and if the rain falls over the same areas. Computer models have been doing a pretty bad job with this setup. This northwest flow, they don't do a very good job. Now here's a model showing the rain chances tonight. Doesn't look overly concerning, but it does show the chances for rain continuing past daybreak Sunday. Here is 7 a.m. As we go later in the morning, there will be some chances for some rain. So if you are going to be up and about Sunday morning, could be dealing with some rain. By the afternoon though, tomorrow we should be drying out. Here are those overnight lows. Around 70, so not much cooling right now, mid 70s, so only cooling down around 5 more degrees as we go throughout the overnight. Limited chance in the morning, and then during the afternoon, temperatures a little bit warmer. The afternoon tomorrow looks mainly dry with heat index values back in the mid to upper 90s, maybe even in the 100s. So Sunday is going to be a noticeably warmer day. And then Sunday night into Monday, similar setup. We're still in that northwest flow. Now, models have been going back and forth. They've been showing storms overnight Sunday into Monday. This latest trend shows dry conditions, but if we zoom out, it still shows storms dropping in, but it has them weakening before reaching East Tennessee. Now, will that happen? Potentially, but potentially not. So I did include a 20% chance for some storms tomorrow night into Monday, and if those storms do form, they could be strong to maybe even briefly severe with damaging winds. Monday, temperatures getting even hotter, back in the 90s. Heat index values Monday will be back in the 100s. So Monday, the hottest day of the near term. Tuesday should be a bit hotter too, all ahead of a cold front. Daily chances for storms through Monday. Confidence very low on if there will be rain, where the rain will form, even the timing. So that's why I have 20%, but we can't rule out chances for rain through Monday. And then Tuesday, cold front should be moving through. Still a few days away. Timing is key with this front. We do know a front will be moving in, and there will be some instability and wind shear. The uncertainties are timing of the front. If it moves in later in the night, earlier Tuesday morning, then the storm potential might not be all that high. But if it moves in peak heating Tuesday, we could be seeing damaging winds, maybe even a tornado threat. Here's that 7-day forecast real quick showing you temperatures are increasing through Tuesday, back in the mid 90s for some Tuesday. So it's going to be a hotter day ahead of those storms. But beyond that, we should be cooling down, seeing some lows in the 60s. Always nice seeing the cooler weather for this time of the year.
Absolutely, definitely lows in the 60s. I feel like we haven't seen that in a while.
Looking forward to it.
Well, coming up.